Welcome to the step-by-step curriculum. So the way I've structured it for you is I have 4 components. The first one is the Sil Lim Tao form. So you'll be going through the form which teaches you the shape, sequence and stance of Wing Chun. Secondly, you've got the actual techniques, so exercises which bring together the actual self-defense movements for your Wing Chun training. Thirdly, you have state training. So state training is the meditative and energetic work which makes your body more powerful and your mind and your emotions more calm, centered, and relaxed. And fourthly, I'm going through principles and concepts so you can start to understand the system from a higher level, from the principles that underlie the actual training itself. So if you have any questions, put them into the community section, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.